Welcome back to the Forge of Low Expectations, where I'm your host, Exia, and my co-stars today are, well, two very cute girls that got spayed 2 weeks ago. But anyway, today we are doing another build that I try not to burn off my fingertips by plastic welding. Another 3D printed blade. This time we got another Demon Slayer blade, and that is Giyu the Water Hashira. So, first of all, we're going to be going through the 3D printing video, or time lapse I should say, and then we shall do some magic with this to see if I got the skills or if my editing skills suck. So, let's get to it. So now, since that montage is over, or the time lapse I should say, let's see if I have the skills to take these parts, both the sword and scabbard, and turn them into fully functioning blades. Now, if I read everything correctly, it says all I have to do is take these pieces, all the sword pieces anyway. So here's all the blade pieces. And if I move this out of the way, and then I just go, it worked. Finally, something worked. So, take the trusty glue. So, we should really try some more of that magic. And that is, all I gotta do is put this glue away. And that is, so it's just lining everything up. And I just go kind of like this, that way everything fits on the table. And then so now that we got that, we have that, and we have that all taken care of. And basically everything else is just painting and sanding a little bit. So now, my favorite part where I try not to burn my fingerprints off. Honestly, I'm loving how this turned out. It looks decent. The blade, I do hate, but like if you shine it in the lights, it looks a lot more blue than what it does in the darkness. Overall, it feels expensive. Not really, it still feels kind of light, but it does feel like it would be judging my other swords on my display wall. But that doesn't matter, because what really matters is what the wife thinks about it as she's behind the camera. Okay.
This looks really good. Better than the others.
What would you give it out of 10?
9 out of 10. Hydrated craftsmanship.
Thank you for stopping by, as always, at the Forge of Low Expectations, where we appreciate your views. If you want to see me suffer through another build, whether it be another Demon Slayer blade or a different fandom's weapon of choice, just please no more really spiky things. I am still trying to get that out of my memory. Anyway, consider subscribing if you haven't. Click the bell icon. It's cheaper than a cup of coffee, and you can always decide later to be like, nah, I don't like this idiot anymore. So, as always, again, thank you for the view.